Saskatchewan has one of the lowest vaccination rates in the country. Only about 67% of people have at least one dose. For weeks, Premier Scott Moe has been trying persuasion to get that number up. Today, he took a sterner approach.
The government of Saskatchewan has been very patient. Possibly we have been too patient, and that time for patience is now over.
Starting at midnight, all public indoor spaces will require masks. Then starting October 1st, there will be a mandatory vaccine passport system for some businesses in the province. It's an about face for the Premier, as is this: new vaccine rules for government employees. The opposition says it's all too little, too late.
So much of the damage is already done. Scott Moe has allowed us to reach a state of dire emergency.
But unlike Alberta's Premier, Jason Kenney, Moe says he won't apologize and says he stands by his government's decisions throughout the pandemic.
This government has attempted to make the very best decisions that we can collaboratively.
On the streets of Regina, reactions are mixed.
I definitely think the masks are a good idea and they should stick around for a while. I think we should get as close to 0 cases as possible before we stop wearing them again.
They shouldn't be doing that, because everybody's out here is free. They should keep that on the down low.
I feel that's needed. He pulled the plug way too fast.
As COVID cases surge to all-time highs, frontline health workers have been begging for restrictions. The big question now, will today's measures be enough to help a system many experts say is on the brink?
We are still in really, really big trouble right now. So it's a start. We're going to have to monitor the situation closely.
Okay, so Omira, today Saskatchewan's chief medical health officer laid out just how dire things could get.
Yes, Andrew, Dr. Shakib Shahab says that if the situation continues, patients with COVID-19 won't be able to get beds in ICU, nor would patients with other medical conditions. And the Saskatchewan Health Authority also said today that the system is being tested like it's never been before. So today, the message is clear right here in Saskatchewan. Wear a mask and get vaccinated. Premier Scott Moe is hoping that will help curb the spread of COVID-19 right here in Saskatchewan.
Omira Issa, thank you very much.